Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate SoundCloud on your Xbox console. First, turn on your Xbox and go to the Microsoft Store. Once the store opens, use the search bar and type SoundCloud. Select the SoundCloud app from the search results and then choose the option to install it. Wait a few moments while the installation finishes. After the app is installed, open it from your apps or home screen. When the SoundCloud app opens for the first time, you will see a screen that asks you to sign in or activate your device. It will display a unique activation code on your Xbox screen. Leave that code visible because you will need it in the next step. Now take your phone or computer and open a web browser. Go to the link soundcloud.com/activate. Make sure you are already logged in to your SoundCloud account. If not, sign in using your username and password. Once you are signed in, you will see a box asking for the activation code. Type the same code that is shown on your Xbox screen and then click the Confirm or Connect button. After a few seconds, your Xbox app will refresh automatically and your SoundCloud account will be linked. You can now browse, play, and control music directly from your Xbox. Thanks for watching.